Hello, my name is Judd Albring and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels desktop only. So if you're curious about viewing or editing in desktop only, it's really quite simple. When you're in your editor here, you can click on this gear icon here, you go to settings, and in the bottom here, you'll see mobile only or desktop only. So I would then change this to desktop only. So now this is only going to show up on the desktop. If somebody goes to mobile, you'll see it's gone. Okay, so we'll go back. Let me show you this. So if I go to all, so I can go all, right? And when we go back, you'll see that it shows up. But if I only want it to show on desktop, I go to the gear icon, go down here, desktop only. Now the same thing applies for mobile. If I go over here and I want to add an element here, so I want, say, something different. I want a different image. Right, so I want a different image to show up here than what was on the other page. I'm just going to pull the first thing I got here, guys. So I know this doesn't relate to fitness. This guy looks like he's sad. But I could go here, do the same thing, gear icon. Now I only want this on mobile only. Okay? So boom, we got our gym guy on desktop only. And we got our sad, depressed, I need to work out guy on mobile only. So I hope that helps you out, guys. That's ClickFunnels desktop only. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I will leave a link below. You can try them out for free for 14 days. Thank you so much, guys.